Minnesota law enforcement may finally have a way to test for drug impairment on the side of the road. While the state has used breathalyzers for years to detect alcohol, they've never had a reliable roadside test for other substances. Valley News Team's Quinn Gorham got hands-on, though, with these new tests today and explains why they could be the solution to the problem.
This is the test collector. We're going to collect an oral fluid sample from you.
This swab test could be the future of roadside drug testing in Minnesota.
I want you to scrape the inside of your cheek and your gums, kind of like you're brushing your teeth. All right.
The new system, unlike a blood test, will detect only recent cannabis use.
Because it gives us the nearest window to that recent use. Most of these drug classes, anywhere past 24 to 36 hours of use, there will be no positive test on these pieces, as opposed to blood that could be longer.
Eventually, the program might be used like a breathalyzer, but for now, it's just in its pilot phase.
This is strictly voluntary. We're not demanding or making anybody participate in this. We are asking them to help us with this.
According to Mike Hansen, director of the state's Office of Traffic Safety, people will have the option to participate in the program when pulled over. Any testing done will be strictly for data collection and wouldn't be admissible in court.
And we want to make sure that we get enough good, solid data that we can take that report to our legislative partners and to the policymakers and then use the oral fluid in the same way that the PBT is.
But while the program seems promising, the price tag could be a concern.
Every sample that's obtained has a cost that goes with it, somewhere between $25 and $30.
The testing units themselves cost roughly $5,000, but it's a cost Hansen feels is worth the investment.
This is a tool that will save lives. It's that simple. And what value is that? I think we all would agree that there is no value that we could.
In St. Paul, Quinn Gorham, Valley News Live.
The new tests are being used by law enforcement statewide now and can detect other intoxicating substances as well. If asked to participate in this pilot, law enforcement encourages people to help with the study.